Day 75, Nehemiah rebuilds the wall. Key scripture, Nehemiah 2:17 through 18 and Nehemiah 4:6, 15 through 18. Then I said to them, "You see the trouble we are in. Jerusalem lies in ruins. Come, let us build the wall of Jerusalem, that we may no longer be a reproach." And I told them of the hand of my God that had been upon me. And they said, "Let us rise up and build." So they strengthened their hands for the good work. So we built the wall, and all the wall was joined together to half its height, for the people had a mind to work. When our enemies heard that it was known to us and that God had frustrated their plan, we all returned to the wall, each to his work. From that day on, half of my servants worked on construction, and half held the spears, shields, bows, and coats of mail. Each of the builders had his sword strapped at his side while he built. Family questions. 1. What did Nehemiah challenge the people to do? 2. How did the people respond? 3. How did they protect themselves while working? Family faith step. Work together on one project this week and pray for protection and unity while you do it. Our family reflections and prayers. What stood out to us today? How is God speaking to our family? Any prayer requests or things we are thankful for?